Volcanoes are like mountains, but with a secret. They are not just any ordinary mountains. They are dynamic and powerful formations that have the ability to change landscapes in an instant. They have an opening at the top called a vent. This vent is like a gateway to the Earth's fiery interior. Through this vent, the volcano can release gases, ash, and molten rock. Sometimes hot stuff comes out of this vent. This hot stuff is called lava when it reaches the surface, and magma when it's still underground. The lava can flow down the sides of the volcano, creating new landforms. Imagine a big pot of soup bubbling on the stove. The bubbling soup is like the magma inside the earth. It is constantly moving and churning, building up pressure. Sometimes the soup bubbles over. When the pressure becomes too much, the volcano erupts, sending lava, ash, and gases into the air. This can be a spectacular sight, but also very dangerous. Volcanoes are a bit like that. They can be quiet for years, even centuries, and then suddenly become active. This unpredictability makes them fascinating and a bit frightening. When a volcano erupts, it can be a little scary. The sky can turn dark with ash and the ground can shake. The heat from the lava can cause fires and destroy everything in its path. But don't worry, scientists study volcanoes carefully to keep people safe. They use special equipment to monitor volcanic activity and predict eruptions. This helps to evacuate people in time and minimize damage. So, while volcanoes are powerful and sometimes dangerous, they are also a natural wonder that scientists work hard to understand and predict. Did you know that the Earth has layers, just like a cake? The top layer is called the crust. We live on the Earth's crust. Under the crust, it gets super hot. It's so hot that everything melts into a gooey liquid called magma. The layer under the crust is called the mantle. It's like a giant oven where the magma stays hot and gooey. Deep inside the Earth, the magma is always moving and bubbling continuously. Sometimes it gets so hot that it wants to escape. The magma pushes and pushes against the Earth's crust. It looks for cracks and weak spots to find a way out. This hot liquid rock is powerful. It can slowly push its way up through the Earth's crust. Section 4. Reaching the surface. The journey of magma from deep within the Earth's crust to the surface is a fascinating and powerful process. It all begins miles beneath our feet, where intense heat and pressure cause rocks to melt and form magma. This molten rock is less dense than the surrounding solid rock, so it begins to rise, making its way through cracks and crevices in the Earth's crust. When the magma finally finds a way out, it erupts from the vent at the top of the volcano. This dramatic event is what we commonly refer to as a volcanic eruption. The force of the eruption can vary greatly, from gentle flows to explosive blasts that send ash and lava high into the sky. The type of eruption depends on the composition of the magma and the amount of gas it contains. Now we call it lava. Once magma reaches the surface and erupts from the volcano, it is known as lava. This transition marks a significant change as the lava begins to interact with the Earth's atmosphere and surface. The temperature of lava can exceed 1,200 degrees Celsius, making it incredibly destructive to anything in its path. Lava is very hot and can flow like a river of fire. Depending on its viscosity, lava can either move slowly, creating thick, sticky flows, or it can travel quickly, forming fast-moving streams. These rivers of molten rock can reshape the landscape, destroying everything in their way and creating new landforms as they cool and solidify. Sometimes, it shoots up high in the air in a big, fiery fountain. These spectacular lava fountains can reach heights of several hundred meters, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power. The sight of glowing lava shooting into the sky is both beautiful and terrifying, a reminder of the raw energy contained within our planet. As the lava cools down, it hardens and turns into rock. This process can take anywhere from a few days to several years, depending on the thickness of the lava flow and the environmental conditions. The resulting rock formations can be incredibly diverse, ranging from smooth, glassy surfaces to rough, jagged landscapes. This is how volcanoes can change the shape of the Earth. Over time, repeated eruptions can build up layers of lava and ash, creating new mountains and islands. Volcanic activity has played a crucial role in shaping our planet's surface, contributing to the formation of some of the most dramatic and beautiful landscapes on Earth. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the lush islands of Hawaii, the power of volcanoes is evident in the world around us. Section 5. Boom! Eruptions. Volcanoes erupt in different ways. Some eruptions are quiet and slow, with lava oozing out like honey. Other eruptions are explosive, with ash and rocks shooting high into the air. These eruptions can be very loud, like a giant boom. Even though volcanic eruptions can be dangerous, they are also amazing to see from a safe distance. Section 6. Famous volcanoes and fun facts. There are many famous volcanoes around the world. One famous volcano is Mount Vesuvius in Italy. Did you know that some volcanoes are under the ocean? These underwater volcanoes can create new islands. The largest volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. It's so big that it takes up almost half of the island. Section 7. Volcanoes, Earth's builders. Volcanoes are one of the most awe-inspiring natural phenomena on our planet. They are not just mountains that spew lava, they are dynamic systems that play a crucial role in shaping the Earth's surface. Even though volcanoes can be destructive, they also help to create new land. When a volcano erupts, it releases molten rock or lava from beneath the Earth's crust. This lava flows out, and as it cools, it begins to solidify, forming new land. This process can create entire islands and add to the existing landmass. When lava cools and hardens, it forms new rock. This rock is often rich in minerals and can create fertile soil, which is beneficial for plant life. Over time, these new rocks can break down and contribute to the formation of new ecosystems. Over millions of years, volcanic eruptions have helped to create mountains, islands, and even continents. The Hawaiian Islands, for example, were formed by volcanic activity. Each eruption adds layers of lava, which build up over time to form these majestic landforms. The Andes Mountains in South America and the Cascade Range in North America are also the result of volcanic activity. So, the next time you see a picture of a volcano, remember that it's not just a mountain, it's a powerful force that shapes our planet. These natural builders have been at work for billions of years, continuously creating and transforming the Earth's surface. They remind us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet.